If you want to add another Google account into your POCO C75, then you can do this in a few ways, but you can start, for example, by opening settings. Now you can go into Google. When you're here, just click on this arrow and tap to add another account. Now all you have to do is just to wait for this checking information. You can also use your screen lock or, for example, the fingerprint sensor to verify, and after a few seconds you'll be redirected into this screen. You'll have to input your email or the phone number. If you don't have an account, you can create it right now, and after you input your email or phone number, you have to click next. Then you'll get the same pool where you have to input your password, and then click next, and you will be able to actually use this account. And if you want to switch into this account, you can, for example, open Google Play Store, and by clicking here you will be able to choose between different Google accounts.